Welcome to class 6 subject mathematics chapter fractions, and it's me MD Altaf Hussain. So we are going to discuss about chapter fraction. So already you know about the numbers: natural number, whole number, integer number. Now we will see that some type of numbers are there which are in a by b form. So we already know about natural numbers. Natural numbers contain 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dot dot. Whole number contains, in whole number collection we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dot dot. Then we will see, then we have already seen integer numbers. And in this type of numbers we have found positive and negative, all the type of numbers. Integer numbers. Now next we will see a number which is in the form of a by b. It is this type of number is called fraction, and here a and b are natural numbers. Here a and b are natural numbers. But from where these natural numbers come? Suppose you have a bread and you divided it into equal 5 parts. So if only one part you can eat at a time, so that means you have eaten 1 by 5 part. So this number is a fractional number. So now we will see different types of fractional number. So types of fractional numbers. So in every fractional number you will find this type of form where the upper number is called numerator and the lower number is called denominator. Numerator by denominator. So in 5 by 7, here 5 is numerator and 7 is denominator. So now we will see different types of fraction. First is like fraction. So two fraction, if it has same denominator, then these are called like fractions. Example: 2 by 7, 3 by 7, these are like fractions. 1 by 2, 2 1 by 2, this one is also like fractions. Here in denominator they have same numbers, unlike fraction. If the fraction has different number in denominators, suppose 5 by 7 and 7 by 5, these two are unlike fraction. Then we already know another type of fraction, that is proper fraction. Proper fraction means when our numerator is less than denominator. Here, if A is less than B, then it is called proper fraction. Example: 1 by 2, 7 by 8, 15 by 16, 100 by 201. So these all are proper fraction. Then improper fraction. So now our form A by B, here it is numerator and B is denominator. If numerator is greater than denominator, then fraction is called improper fraction. Improper fraction. So okay, example, we can take 2 by 1, 3 by 2, 5 by 7, 5 by 4, 5 by 4. These are improper fraction. Now mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is those fraction which is made of whole number and fractional part. 2 1 by 2 is actually made of whole number and the fractional part. This is the whole number part and this is the fractional part. So this is called mixed fraction. So 5 by 1 by 7, it is a mixed fraction. This is one example of mixed fraction. So we have seen different type of fraction. Now we will convert improper to mixed and mixed to improper. Conversion of mixed fraction to improper fraction. So mixed fraction, suppose 5 by 1 by 7, we can convert this one as a 36 by 7, this is the improper, this is mixed, and this one is improper. So we have converted mixed fraction into improper fraction. Similarly, we can convert improper to mixed. How do you convert? Suppose you have 15 by 4. This is an improper fraction. Now, if you want to convert into proper a mixed fraction, so therefore mixed fraction equal to 3 by 4. So this will be 3 whole number and 3 by 4. This is the way of representation of the mixed fraction. Now we have to represent fraction on number line. Represent a fraction on the number line. First we will represent a proper fraction. Suppose 1 by 3, this one. So this number we have to check first. Here 1 by 3 is greater than 0, less than 1. So draw a straight line. So draw a straight line first, then mark both the side as a arrow mark. Mark 0 here and 1. Now divide this length in 3 equal parts. If you divide in 3 equal parts, the first point P will be 1 by 3. Similarly, represent any proper improper fraction. Now improper fraction on the number line. Suppose 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is possible to write 1 and 1/2 in mixed fraction. So represent, suppose this one is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this number is 3 by 2 is greater than 1 and less than 2. So we have to divide this in 2 equal part. So the middle point will be P equal to 3 by 2. So this way we will represent any improper fraction. First we will convert into mixed fraction, then we will represent it. Now equivalent fractions. Equivalent fraction. What do you mean by equivalent fractions? So in equivalent fraction you will see that any fraction is given and you have to make its equivalent fraction. How do you make? So you have to multiply numerator and denominator with the same number. Suppose we have multiplied by 2, so 6 by 8. 6 by 8 and 3 by 4 are equivalent. Their value are always same. So we can write 2 by 5, its equivalent, it can be anything, just you multiply the same number with the numerator and denominator, so you will get equivalent. So 2 by 5 is equivalent with 6 by 15. These are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. So hope students you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.